Hello everybody. So I'm recording this video because I'm gonna go live on my YouTube channel for the first time. I'm pretty excited about that because, you know, when you're gonna do something for the first time, it's pretty exciting. And I want it to be a very interactive live, you know. So what I want you guys to do for me is to ask me some questions. Like, I want to do a Q&A, a question and answer for that live. I would prefer questions about me. Just ask questions about me. Ask questions about me. So I'm gonna go live on Sunday, which day is Sunday? The last day of February? I'll put the date. So yeah, I'm planning to go live. So I want to see all you guys over there. All right. So as I said, I want this live to be very interactive and fun. So please join me on my YouTube channel on Sunday. I want to do it in the afternoon around 6 p.m. or so. Yeah. Start asking your questions right now so that we can go ahead and do this thing. All right, isn't that exciting? Oh my gosh. Please guys, so start asking your questions from now. You can leave a comment down below, and also you can send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram is Nioka dear. So yeah, boom, that's it. Please remember to share this video. Please remember to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you. And bye for now. I love you.